Hi everyone, welcome to Go Classes. In this session, we have with us Vamsi, who secured All India rank 77 in GATE CS 2026. Vamsi was Go Classes complete course student, and we are very happy and proud of him. So, Vamsi, many congratulations and thank you for joining us in this session.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for having me.
So, Vamsi, incredible performance with college. You are in final year right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with college, Vamsi got All India rank 77. That's really incredible. And Vamsi was our complete course student. So we are really very proud of Vamsi. So Vamsi, पहले तो first please tell us about your marks, your score in GATE CS 2026 exam.
Yes, sir. Mine was shift 2, and I got 78.6 unnormalized, 78.66. And after normalization, my marks are 77, sir. And rank is also 77. And score is 900. And it was shift 2, sir. So,
It's मतलब basically the numbers are so interesting that it's very easy to remember. I don't even remember my own, I can say, score, but because that is not easy to remember. Okay, but here the numbers are so nice. You can see he got, after normalization, the final marks, that is also 77, rank is also 77, score is 900. That's it. Okay, not one more, not one less. So that's really incredible, Vamsi. Now, Vamsi, with college you managed your gate preparation. So first, please tell us about your academic background, about your college, and when did you start your GATE preparation?
yes, sir. Actually, I'm pursuing my fourth year CSC in JNTUK UCN, University College of Engineering, Nasrapet. So in Andhra Pradesh, sir. Actually, it's a government college, and academically, yeah, we have good, but we do not have any, how to say, many rankers in GATE before. So there was not so much guidance, so much of guidance. Like our management supported us. Like in fact, just before the exam, we had project review. So they postponed because of the GATE exam. So they supported us, but we lack guidance. Like we do not know which resources, which coaching, and all. So like this, and it was like this. And in third year, I have started my GATE preparation. Though I have taken goclasses course in fourth year, I actually started my journey along with goclasses in third year itself. I have taken the free courses like the Max, Engineering Max and Discrete Max, and also I have followed all the summary lectures which you have put on YouTube, etc. And the guidance, yeah, I also mostly use it to uh, uh, see the your guidance sessions, your topper stocks, and also there is another senior Arpit. So I have seen his guidance videos. So like that, I have started, sir. And coming to fourth year, I have contacted you, and you have gave me scholarship on 28th March, and 29th March is the first day I used the course, and today is 29th March 2026. So yeah, very happy for that, sir. And
Okay.
this is the academic background and like that.
So Vamsi, you basically started your final year preparation, your GATE 2026 preparation with Go classes. You started on 29th March 2025.
Yes, sir.
And today is 29th March 2026. So basically, exactly 1 year ago, you
Yes, sir.
started your GATE 2026 journey with Go classes exactly 1 year ago.
Yes, sir.
And that's रियली इनक्रेडिबल. ऐसा कुछ सोच के हमने इंटरव्यू प्लान नहीं किया था कि अच्छा आज के दिन ही इंटरव्यू रखना है. इट्स जस्ट अ कोइंसिडेंस. मेनी कोइंसिडेंस आर हैपनिंग. यू कैन सी he got marks 77, rank 77. So many things, but really incredible, Vamsi. So Vamsi, you followed Go classes with your third year also, with your final year also. You
Yes,
studied
sir.
Go classes, free courses, engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics, and also the free lectures on the YouTube. You studied with them with your third year preparation. And then the complete Go classes course you enrolled in the month of March 2025. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, with your third year preparation, what was your rank?
Uh, it's around 1500, sir. I guess 1545. And
Okay.
marks were normalized after normalization. It was 61.7, sir.
Okay. So, the rank was near 1500.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Vamsi, when did you think about the GATE preparation in your college? In which semester? What was the moment where you thought about that you should go for GATE preparation? Because most of the students they must be going for the placements in the BTech. Most of the students they have placement in their mind. So, when did you make your mind for the GATE exam? And did you question yourself that are you doing the right thing following the GATE exam, or should you follow the placements? So, please let us know.
Yes, sir. That actually my journey has started with the question itself, because as I said, we do not have many toppers in previous years. So I was like I wanted to join IIT, the dream from JE itself. So I was in a position like if I write at the exam at the moment, I'll get single digit marks, but I want single digit rank. So the position was like that, and I started GATE in third year beginning, like third year first semester. So my thought was I will try my best for the third year attempt. So if I feel that I can do it, I will continue in the fourth year. So if not, I will completely give all my efforts for placements. So this was my position in third year first semester, sir. So while starting, I started with all the free resources. Many education institutions online give one subject free online, like mathematics. I followed Go classes like that. I started following, and meanwhile, I started seeing some standard resources, etc. So, and while this is going on, many times I couldn't understand the standard resources. Like if you see Galvin book is slightly okay, but coming to compiler design, the Dragon book we follow, right, standardly. So there, when I started something like that, there was many questions I couldn't understand even a single thing. So then I started worrying about my gate preparation, and then the AMTs and all started. So somewhat I started picking up confidence, and third year attempt was like that, sir. So even with doubts, I started and I carry forward. So it was a good rank in third year. So I decided to give completely for gate, and I contacted you, and you have given me scholarship, and I started with Go classes. And then immediately after that, I had my semester exams, and I got uh, chicken pox, and I went into very low phase, and I failed my honors exam also. Like we have a major degree, and also I am doing honors degree also, an extra degree here. So I failed that due to health issues, and I was completely off. And I thought Gate will also not be successful if I do like that. So yeah, it was full of questions.
Okay. So, Vamsi, that's really, I can say, motivating to hear about your journey. Basically, it's not a smooth journey. It is, I can say, ups and downs, many ups and downs. There are struggles, but still, Vamsi secured All India rank 77 in GATE CS 2026 out of 2.1 lakh students. In GATE 2026 Computer Science, in GATE CS 2026, 2 lakh 11,000 students they appeared. Out of them, 77th rank Vamsi secured with college after so many hurdles, I can say. And that's we are very proud of you, Vamsi. So, Vamsi, basically, let me just summarize your journey. Basically, you with your third year, you just thought that okay, let me try for GATE exam. If it is for me, if I feel that it is for me, then I will continue with the gate exam. Otherwise, I will go for placements in the final year.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you put your efforts with third year, you secured 1500, 1600 rank you secured, and then you were basically you were confident that okay, gate exam is for you, you can
Yes,
crack
sir.
it. Okay, so then you appear in the placements also, in the companies also, did you appear with the final year?
Yes, sir. Actually, I did not give very much time for placements. It's like if it's aligning with my gate syllabus, only for that companies I have appeared, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, Vamsi, now audible. Yes, yes, please
Sir,
continue.
I did not appear for all the companies. If a company has requirements and all the tests are aligning with my gate, the gate syllabus, I have appeared for it. Like TCS, only aptitude and some coding and our project. So if they are asking something like Java, DevOps, etc., I did not appear for that.
Okay, and did you secure some placement?
Yes, sir.
You secured placement in TCS.
Sir.
Okay, so now I think you must have rejected the offer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, because now you are going for the MTech.
Masters. Yes, sir. I'm going for.
Any dream college?
Yes, sir. Actually, IIT Bombay or ISC or IIT Madras. So, any one of this. Uh,
One of them you will definitely get.
yes, sir.
Yes, Vamsi. So that's very good to hear, Vamsi. And Vamsi, you were also active in the hackathons. I remember seeing a post on LinkedIn. I think
Yes, sir.
you won some hackathon in IIT Delhi. Can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
us about it?
Yes, sir. Actually, it was in December month, sir. So just before gate, I was actually very doubtful to go or not. So that hackathon is about AI for rural India. So we have. So, I mean, what should I explain that about that one or I didn't get it.
Just briefly, you can share about it.
Sir, the project is about in rural India, we have now a smartphone and 5G connectivity or 4G connectivity. Now we are having many in many rural areas, but they are not using AI very much in their what to say. If a farmer is there, he's not using AI in his work, or if someone has a basic health need and they are not using a smartphone or anything for that, uh, but they are using smartphone for YouTube and all. So the basic question is why they are feeling hard to use other things, but why are they feeling very comfortable with YouTube and etc. So we thought that it is because it is very easy to search and all using just voice command, or just few clicks you reach your what you want, so like that. So what if other things, like if a farmer wants to uh, sell his harvest, what if it also happens in one click and voice based? So that was our idea. So we
Okay.
have our voice assistant, and it will, what to say, the main theme was Grameen Connect. So we have a local marketplace, and every farmer, etc., can through voice commands can sell his harvest, uh, put it to sale in the um, what is it, Raitu Bazar or something, so like that.
And your team won this basically this hackathon in IIT Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's really
It was
incredible,
a 3 day
Vamsi.
hackathon. Yes, sir.
So, Vamsi, after your third year preparation, after getting 1500 rank with your third year in the first attempt, who suggested you to join Go classes? Basically, from where you get this idea that okay, you should prepare with Go classes for your final year attempt?
Actually, in third year itself, I have Go classes and gate overflow had played a huge part. Like before, what to say, like the dovetailing techniques and etc. I have followed Go classes itself. I couldn't find them very insightful or in that easy manner anywhere. I couldn't find that anywhere. So I thought that Go classes would be very good for me. And also not just new concepts, like I don't even know the notion of eigenvalues and etc. So it's just like I know how to find eigenvalues and I know how to find eigenvectors with that. I don't know what they mean. So after the Go classes engineering mathematics course from Sachin sir and so I thought the idea of what matrix as a transformation and uh, the invariant space as eigen space and so I thought I was learning so much. So I
Oh,
thought Go classes would be very apt for me.
okay.
So I,
So basically, because you were understanding the meaning of the concept, not just by hearting them, so
yes,
that is what made you to join Go classes for your final year preparation.
yes sir.
Okay. So Vamsi, about revision, how did you revise? How did you retain the concepts? What was your revision strategy?
Yes sir. In third year itself, I started making the long notes, but I couldn't revise it properly. So revision and practice were my what to say were my mistakes in third year. So I thought in fourth year I should not repeat it. And from the August itself, I started revisiting the long notes again, and I started highlighting the highlighting inside the long notes. So that highlighted part itself is my short notes. So I started doing that. And while making this, the revision part one has completed in August or October, August, September, like that. Yes, sir. While giving the mock test, just after the mock test, I actually maintain uh, an repository for all my mistakes and all. So I update them and I revise each and every concept which I have not done properly in that test. So likewise, my practice and revision went hand in hand. Sir.
Okay. Practice and revision, they were basically going simultaneously.
Yes, sir.
And Vamsi, in the All India mock test, in the full length mock test of Go Classes test series, in the All India mock test of Go Classes, what marks were you getting? Like, what were your initial marks? Then, was it like you are going up, down, up, down? So, please tell us about your marks in full length mock test of Go Classes.
Yes, sir. In AMTs, there were six AMTs, right? Yes, sir. In the first AMT, I got in first
Have
AMT,
you
I got 58, sir.
have you written it somewhere on the
Ah, yes,
wall?
sir. The graph you have seen, right?
Yes, yes, I have seen the photos.
Ah, yes, sir.
You put, basically Vamsi has shared many photos related to his preparation. He made, silly mistakes graphs. He made graphs of marks. Basically, that's really incredible to see. Okay, I will put that LinkedIn post URL in the description in the pinned comment. Please check it out. Do check it out. It will really motivate you. So many photos you will see in that LinkedIn post. You will see many photos related to his preparation that will show you his dedication, his discipline, his dedication, and his hunger to improve, his hunger to get a top rank. So that LinkedIn post URL, that direct link of that LinkedIn post, I will put in the description as well as pinned comment. So must watch it. Yes, Vamsi.
Yes, sir. I started with a good start. It was a good start. I got 58 to 60 marks in the first AMT. But after that, I got this hackathon Delhi and all. So I wrote the AMT2 in Delhi itself, I have already mentioned. But what happened is due to this gap, I it was dropped to 50 after 60 and it dropped to 50 and next was 48. So I had done many silly mistakes, and I understood that revision lag is uh, starting again. So I've after the AMD3, which I got 50, exactly 50, I guess, sir. So in the 50, and next was 48. In I have started revising again, and I have given whole week the AMT to AMT, the middle whole week for revision itself. I stopped everything and I have given completely revision, and In fifth AMT, I have got 64, and in last AMT, I have got 80, sir.
In the last AMT, just before the GATE
Yes, sir.
2026 exam, you got 80 marks.
Yes, sir.
And just after 8 days, I can say, because Go classes last All India mock test for GATE CS 2026 that was conducted on 1st February. So and the GATE CS paper was on 8th February. So you can see that in the in the last AIMT, Vamsi got 80 marks on 1st February, and after 7 days in the actual GATE exam, he got 77 marks. So that's really incredible, Vamsi. And your All India mock test marks, they are not consistently high.
Yes,
They
sir.
were basically ups and downs, and the lowest marks that you got in All India mock test,
48.
that was 48.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's really good to hear, because many students, they will relate to you when they will get low marks. Then they will have your example in their mind that they can still get a top rank. They just have
Mm,
to focus on improvement. What questions you did wrong, what questions you could not solve, just improve, just revise, just solve them again, just keep going. Okay, just stay consistent, keep going, and you will definitely get a top rank.
yes, sir.
So
Actually, the 48 was just before the hackathon placement. Everything was jumbled up there. So I couldn't give much time. And later, I thought that it's not going well. So we should give everything for gate now. Like that.
thank you, Vamsi, for sharing everything. Actually, Vamsi, in the live chat there is Sachin Sharma, and another student from our toppers group. So basically on WhatsApp we have Go Classes Gate 2026 toppers group, and in that group, let me give you the context. So first of all, let me read the message. Sachin Sharma is writing in the chat कि Vamsi URL डाला है ना, have you submitted have you submitted the URL? So basically let me give you the context. On WhatsApp we have Get 2026 Go Classes toppers group, and in that group, for the last, I can say, before the GATE results, for 1 month, what Vamsi and Preet, what they did, that whenever some new student was joining that group, a new Go Classes student, whenever that student was joining the group, so they were asking कि रैंक प्रेडिक्टर, गेट और फ्लो का जो रैंक प्रेडिक्टर है, गो रैंक प्रेडिक्टर, उसमें आप उसमें यूआरएल डाला है क्या? They were basically making sure that all the toppers, they must submit in the go rank predictor, so that their rank, they can have better prediction of their own rank, so that their rank does not shift too much.
Surprisingly, we don't have any bad surprises later.
Yes, yes. So अभी सचिन शर्मा ने अभी कमेंट डाला है चैट में कि यूआरएल डाला ना वामसी. So that's the context. And Vamsi, I think it's been 1 year. I had, contact with, I had been, sorry, I have been in contact with you. So almost exactly 1 year ago, I and Vamsi, we had conversation over LinkedIn. And exactly 1 year ago, Vamsi started his GATE 2026 preparation with Go Classes complete course. He enrolled in the Go Classes complete course, and he started his preparation. And now, after 1 year, now we are having the interview. You are,
Yes, sir.
sitting in front of me, and this is really incredible. This is what makes us feel, I can say, I can't describe it, but it's just, I can say, worth it. It just makes us feel that everything that we are doing, every effort that we are putting, so that's really worth it. This is what I want to say, Vamsi. And congratulations again, and thank you for joining us in this session. Thank you for sharing your preparation journey with us. If you have anything more to say to the future aspirants, or to me, or any tips or suggestion for the future aspirants, then please do.
Yes, sir. Actually, I want to mention that you have put a LinkedIn post that calmness has 10 marks in 10 marks weightage in GATE exam. That's actually very true, sir. And I know that result is not in our hands. I believe that, but actually, I don't know. But I think I have connected myself very much to IITs or something. So, which is not so good. We have to focus on learning itself. And what happened is just before the exam, I couldn't sleep for I guess I for up to 5 a.m. I couldn't sleep. 5 to 10 a.m. I slept, and I started to my exam center in the afternoon session. So what I'm going to say, I'm telling is prioritize health and calmness before. So don't get very much tensed. Like the before itself, in the before topper interview, he said that he is very calm. So I'm just thinking, how was he very calm in that exam? So
Yes,
that's
yes,
very true. That calmness has like 10 marks and sometimes even more if we are in a easy shift. Because we after normalization, if we, every silly mistake will decrease more marks. So, yeah,
yes, yes, Vamsi. So just stay calm, focus on improvement. Don't worry about the low marks. Just
yes, sir.
focus on the improvement. Keep learning from your mistakes. Keep going. Stay consistent and get a top rank, just like Vamsi did. So, Vamsi, thank you for sharing your complete preparation journey with us, and very happy to see you here in this interview. It's been 1 year. We
Yes, sir.
have been in contact. So
So it is very happy
again,
for me also. Very, very. I mean, same from my side, sir. It's like a goosebumps moment. Yes, sir.
thank you, Vamsi. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing, and again, congratulations. And all the students who are watching this video, please like, please put a comment, please congratulate Vamsi. If you have any doubt for Vamsi, you can put in the comments. We will request Vamsi to reply to your doubts. And please share this interview with all the GATE aspirants who want to get top rank with college. So please share this interview with all of them. So please like, comment, and share. So thank you. Thank you, Vamsi, for joining.